If you're watching this video, it's reasonable to assume that you suffer from sacroiliac (SI) joint pain or dysfunction. It is a condition that can affect both men and women of varying age groups. The condition can be treated with a sacroiliac hip belt, also known as a SI belt, which is worn around the hips and pelvis to provide support. There are many products available to choose best sacroiliac joint belt, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sacroiliac joint belt from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vrix Asana Sacroiliac Hip Belt. This Sacroiliac joint hip belt by Vrix Asana is designed to not only alleviate joint pain, but also reduce lower back, leg nerve pain, and SI joint inflammation. It also helps to stabilize the sacroiliac joint caused by hypermobility or inflammation. It is made with breathable, lightweight fabric, and moisture-wick neoprene. The unique anti-slip silicone slips help prevent the item from sliding while being worn. The original sacroiliac hip belt has a dual belt design that allows you to control the compression level. Meanwhile, thanks to the secondary strap, you can customize the amount of extra compression needed over a certain area. This company recommends that the support belt is worn for 2 weeks, night and day, to ensure adequate pain relief and recovery. Users have complained about issues with both the Velcro support and the lack of proper sizing options. That being said, it can be quite effective if used as instructed, and it is moderately priced. It is also available in nude and black. Number 2. Sacroiliac Hip Belt for Women and Men. Designed for men and women, this SI hip belt is made from neoprene, spandex and nylon, and can be worn invisibly underneath your clothing. It can also be worn while you sleep, during your daily exercise, or while playing sports. It can provide relief for hip or pelvis instability, sciatica pain, lower back, joint inflammation, sacroiliac joint or SI joint dysfunction. One of the key features of the Proenrichment sacroiliac hip belt is the pelvic support belt hook with loop fasteners, so that it can be worn and removed without hassle. Another important feature is the lower back brace, which helps to stabilize the lower back, sacrum, and pelvis. Additionally, there is a secondary strap on the back belt for you to customize your required level of compression. Users have expressed that the belt is not as wide as the product images portray, and that it starts to slip from the hips after a while. However, the SI belt is moderately priced, and can be worn while you sleep, exercise, or play sports. Number 3. Braceability SI Joint Belt. This one-size-fits-all brace from Sacroiliac has a one-handle pulley system for quick and simple fit adjustment. Furthermore, for an extra layer of support and compression, the brace comes with 2 removable pressure pads for use on areas that are sore or inflamed. This brace boasts a breathable mesh band that is so thin and lightweight you can wear it all day long. Holding the brace in place on your hips is medical-grade Velcro, which is said to be 10 times stronger than standard Velcro. It is designed for male and female, and fits a hip circumference of 32 to 50 inches. Buyers were confused about how to use the pressure pads since there were no instructions, and persons also complained about the brace sliding out of place during use. Nonetheless, if you need something light, breathable and easy to use, this is a good selection. Number 4. DonJoy Sacroiliac SI Joint Support Belt. Available from sizes small to X large, this joint support belt is breathable and ideal for extended hours of use. It is also made with a mesh material and has silicone grip strips to keep the support brace in place. The low-profile design makes the DonJoy Sacroiliac joint support belt ideal to wear underneath your clothing. The compression provided by this belt is quite smooth thanks to the integration of a patented mechanical advantage pulley system. You can also customize the tension to your desired level, and it has a Velcro closure, so it goes on and off easily. Number 5. Optc Lock Sacroiliac Support Belt. This Sacroiliac support belt aids in the relief of back spasms and lower back pain. This Sacroiliac belt is made from breathable, lightweight fabric which can be easily concealed underneath your clothes. The nude color is another advantage as well. To ensure maximum comfort, the belt has a hook and loop closure system, so you can adjust the anti-slip buckle to your liking. To prevent it from sliding up and down, there's also the inclusion of medical-grade non-slip pads. Furthermore, unlike some of the other SI joint belts on our list, this one has a patented tapered design. While the company doesn't clearly state this in the description, previous users have shared that there is no refund or exchange for this product. However, keep in mind that it is moderately priced, and comes with great features like an anti-slip buckle and medical-grade non-slip pads. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.